Introduction to binary options. Binary options, also known as digital options and fixed income options, are one of the simplest financial trading tools. When a binary option expires, there are only two possible outcomes. Whether profit is gained is determined on whether the closing price of an underlying asset is lower or higher than the strike price within a specified time, for example, 1 minute in the future. If the trend of the underlying asset meets the predetermined starting conditions, the binary option trader will obtain a fixed income amount, otherwise he will lose part of the invested fixed amount, that is fixed income and risk. Principle of binary options. Binary options only consider the price trend, rise or fall, of the underlying asset, while for traditional financial tools such as stocks and foreign exchange, investors need to consider both the price trend, rise or fall, as well as the range of change. Therefore, binary options are simplified forms of financial tools. The benefits and risks of binary options are fixed in advance, and whether there is profit is determined only by whether the price of the underlying asset meets the predetermined conditions. For example, if the stock price exceeds the strike price of the option at expiration, the investor receives a fixed amount which is 95% of the investment amount, regardless of the increase in stock price. Investors can consider the expected market trend, make predictions regarding market price level and timing, and achieve substantial returns via predicting the market trend or enjoy complete control over their investment to avoid certain market risks. History of binary options. In 2008, the Options Clearing Corporation, OCC, began to provide binary options trading to more investors through OTC, followed by the American Stock Exchange, AMEX, and Chicago Board Options Exchange, CBOE. Binary option trading soon developed into online trading, making it easy and convenient for individual investors to engage in trade. Binary options exploded in popularity in 2010 partly due to the attractiveness of fixed odds, risk and reward, and partly due to the increasing number of binary options brokers offering direct binary options trading. It is also related to the downturn in the global financial market and the inability of ordinary investors to obtain higher returns through traditional financial tools. The trading platforms provided by these traders are very easy to use, as well as being safe and reliable. Traders can trade 24 hours a day, anytime and anywhere, and their inherent advantages are unmatched by other traditional financial tools. Features of binary options. One of the outstanding features and advantages of binary options is that there only needs to be an increase in the price at expiration as compared to the strike price, even if it only fluctuates by a penny, to obtain a higher value. Therefore, even in a period of downturn, binary options will bring investors significant returns. On the contrary, if you buy stocks, commodity futures, or others, then you need to have greater market fluctuations in order to obtain positive investment returns. Binary options are not options in the traditional sense. They are not as obscure as traditional trading tools and need to be exercised when they expire. Binary options do not give you the right to buy or sell the underlying asset. Instead, you can be entitled to a fixed return by predicting the future of the underlying asset, usually 95% of a single investment amount. Advantages of binary options. Fixed risk. Predictable rate of return and loss before trading. Simplicity. You only need to have a concept of the direction of the trade, that is, will the price go up or down in the next minute. Profit is simple. You only need the option to be within the value when the market closes for the trade to be profitable. Profitable transactions will get you all the profits, no matter how small the margin is. Trade anytime. Binary contracts can take effect at any time, allowing traders to trade in multiple time periods. The expiration of an option often brings new investment opportunities for binary traders. Reasons for the popularity of binary options. An investor does not need to study the details of the market in order to obtain the range of price movement, and only needs to know the direction of that price movement. Binary options trading is very flexible because the trader has the ability to judge the invested underlying asset type, expiration time and option type, rise or fall, based on price direction. Due to the short expected time frame, investors can quickly divert capital to more investment opportunities to maximize invested capital. How to trade in binary options. 1. Select the target asset. 2. Select the direction. Call option. If you think the price of the underlying asset will be higher than the current price when the option expires, choose to call. Put option. If you think the price of the underlying asset will be lower than the current price when the option expires, choose to put. 3. Select the investment amount. 4. Confirm the transaction. If an investor judges that the price of Bitcoin will exceed the current market price of $28,397 at 3 p.m., he will click on the green button to buy a call option, otherwise, he will buy a put option. However, regardless of buying a call option or a put option, if the investor's price expectation is proved to be accurate, they will gain a net return equivalent to 95% of the original investment. In this example, an investment of $100 will gain a return of $195. Investor clients who predict inaccurately will face the result of losing the investment amount. After purchasing binary options, investment clients can observe the price trend of Bitcoin up till 3 p.m., and the expiration price will be displayed when it expires. One of only two possible outcomes will occur. When trading in options, we only need to ask ourselves two questions. First, what is the current market price we are analyzing? Second, can we predict whether the price will rise or fall for a fixed period of time? Options are a form of all-or-nothing method of trading. You should now be coming to the realization why options have quickly become the easiest and most popular way to trade in the market.